Good afternoon, everyone. This is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2022 BMW i4 M50. So this is my uncle's car. He just got a new whip, so wanted to get a video on it. The stats on this car are ridiculous. It has 536 horsepower and 586 pound-feet of torque, and it can do 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, according to Car and Driver. And some other companies that tested are 3.7 seconds, but either way, it's absolutely ridiculous the kind of power this car has. I didn't even know that about the i4 M50. I thought it would have like 400 something horsepower, but 536 horsepower is crazy. That's like, it can do 0 to 60 faster than the rear-wheel drive M3 competition. I mean, you guys know I have a manual BMW G80 M3. This thing's like 0 to 60 is way faster than that. It's crazy. Like, I can't believe it, how fast this car is. So this car, and it can get up to 267 miles of range. Typically, you'll get between 227 to 267 miles on this car. You have the iDrive 8 in this vehicle. It's pretty nice. As you can see right here, hit the My BMW, and you can see like the stuff about the car. Route previews, all those things. You can see the weather. You have Apple CarPlay, which is like super big screen in this car. You also have Android Auto as well. You have a nice, pretty big sunroof. It's pretty cool. And you have the blue around the BMW emblem and blue button, start button, and a trim to signify it's an electric BMW. Some of the hybrid iBMWs also have it too. Well, let's walk around this i4. This finished in Portimao blue. This has the regular LED lights. It doesn't have the laser lights. And that's the grille on the i4. It's kind of like the BMW iX electric SUV. I think the i4 is a pretty good looking car, especially in Portimao blue. It looks sick. And I like the big blue M brakes. So you have the M50 badge on the back. You have a pretty big BMW logo. Let me open the trunk. Got a lot of space in here. It's the Grand Coupe. You got the hatchback, a lot of room back here. And here are the rear seats. It's a little bit cramped for sure. I definitely can't really fit that easily back there, but like children and smaller adults will be able to fit for sure. But let's get this i4 M50 out on the road and see how it drives. This one seems to have like the bass sound system. It doesn't have Harman Kardon, which is surprising, because an i4 M50 comes with the base BMW sound system. That's a little bit disappointing. It should have come with Harman Kardon. And the Harman Kardon system isn't even that great either. Like Bowers & Wilkins is the way to... My M3 has Harman Kardon. It's okay. It could be better. The Bowers & Wilkins is way better than that. BMW sound systems are not the best unless if you get the top one, which costs a lot of money. But it is unacceptable that BMW didn't even put Harman Kardon in an M50. That kind of annoys me. And this has the artificial sound, which is really cool. I'm going to put it in sport mode. You also have sport boost mode. So the artificial sound on the i4 M50 was crafted by Hans Zimmer, who is also the music director for the Dark Knight trilogy. Oh, that's cool. But yeah, this car is like ridiculously fast. Like it just blows my mind. I just didn't know that it was capable of this kind of power. And yeah, it just what's great about this is it feels like a regular BMW in here. It looks like a regular BMW. Like, it doesn't scream the fact that it's an electric car, which is nice. The steering is really heavy. It feels great. Typical, it drives like a BMW. Like, a lot of electric cars have these stupid styling elements that make it look like an EV, but this one just looks like a regular 4 Series, which is a great thing. most people probably won't even know it's an electric car until they ride in it, or like they hear like the artificial sound coming from the speakers on the vehicle. But I am excited to get this out on the highway and see what it's like with the insane power it has. That's mind-blowing that it has 536 horsepower. I mean, come on now. And this car, like in the pre-owned market, is a crazy value. Oh my god. That's fast. Like, I just barely put my foot on the gas and it flies. That was so quick. Like, I got from 20 to 46 miles per hour with literally no effort at all. Yeah, we'll get like some, you know, regular street driving as you're seeing right now, and then I'm gonna get it on the highway and see what it's like there. Let me put it in the comfort mode for now and just see what that's like. You have a heated steering wheel in here. You also have heated seats, but you do not have ventilated seats. Yeah, no ventilated seats. But yeah, it's nice and quiet, and it's really smooth. Like in this normal mode, it's quite smooth. I mean, most electric cars are smooth, but like, god, this is an impressive car. I mean, like in the used market, like you could pick these up in the $30,000 to $40,000 range, and getting this kind of power with a BMW, this kind of power at that price point is insane. Like, it's not worth it new. I wouldn't buy one new, heck no. Like, I wouldn't pay $70K for an electric car, heck no. But used, I would buy this all day. And my uncle got a really good deal on this car. He was been looking for an i4 M50, and I found this for sale, and I sent it to him, and he bought it right away because it was a crazy deal. Like, this is a 2022, pretty low miles. I forgot what the miles are on it, but great deal. And like, you know, even he was like, wow, that's a great deal. And then he just bought it right away. Like, it was like, it's just such a good value in the used market. It's so worth it. Like, this car in this price point is worth every penny. Like, this is like worth every penny. I can't even explain, but it just feels so comfortable. I like the wood trim in here. And yeah, even though it's an electric car, I would say that like a BMW's been watering down the M brand. But like with the kind of power that this has, I think it's okay that it has an M badge. Like, I'm gonna say it, I think if any electric BMW deserves the M badge, I would say this one definitely deserves it, because it is a performance vehicle. I think the regular i4 without the M Sport appearance and or the M50 look really bad, but like the M50 looks good. I like the way this looks. It looks sporty. It has like the nice M styling elements and all that. But yeah, this car is fantastic. But once we can get on this access road and get on the highway, we can see what it's like. I'm gonna put it in M Sport Boost mode, see what that does. Sport Boost. Oh my god, that's fast. Goodness. That is so fast, it's unbelievable. Oh my goodness, this car is fast. What the heck? Wow. This car is unbelievably quick. Like, it gets up to speed so fast. Like, it just happens before you can even, you know, think about it. Yeah, this car is definitely ridiculous. I'm very impressed with it, that's for sure. So let's put in the normal sport mode now, since we already tested the acceleration. You just can't explain how quickly this thing gets up to speed, and I love the artificial noise coming from this car. Hans Zimmer did a great job manufacturing that sound. It's really unique. And like, even in the sport mode, the car is extremely comfortable. It's real smooth. I love it. I love this car. This is a amazing car from BMW right here. They call BMW the ultimate driving machine for a reason. And you know, like, if I would ever own an electric car, I'd own either the Porsche Taycan, or probably I'd even consider this, because of, especially in the pre-owned value, I'd drive one. Like, having both an M3 and this car as a daily driver, I would take that all day. It's so cool. Let's just pull into like parking lot to end the video, but overall it's just a wonderful car. I just can't get over how powerful it is, how well it drives. It is truly amazing, and the steering is so well weighted. Like, it's a very fun car to drive. I absolutely love it. Let's just back into a parking spot, see what the camera looks like while you're backing up. Pretty nice camera. This does not have a 360, but yeah. But overall impressions of the car, it is truly insane. This is an amazing car from BMW. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and stay tuned for more content.